Welcome to Humble Citadel Hotels, your true home of comfort, luxury and class, right here in Ladipo, Oshodi, Lagos State. The best standard hotel when you talk about the hospitality industry. Are you searching for a place where hospitality meets elegance, a place to relax, refresh, and recharge? Search no more, because Humble Citadel Hotels is your perfect destination. From their gigantic structure that greets your eyes to their spacious environment with enough parking space, from their beautifully furnished rooms to their top-notch restaurant, the serene lodge, and the world-class event halls designed for your special occasions, every detail is tailored to give you nothing but the best experience. Whether you are on a business trip, a family vacation, or a weekend getaway, Humble Citadel Hotels offers comfort at its peak. With 24-hour service, maximum security, and unforgettable memories. Humble Citadel Hotels, redefining hospitality in Lagos State. Visit them today at number 3 Ajishigiri Street, Ladipo, Oshodi, Lagos State, and you will never regret. Humble Citadel Hotels is a place where excellence lives. The moment you step into Humble Citadel Hotel, Ladipo, Oshodi, Lagos State, your experience of hospitality begins at their world-class reception. A warm smile, a friendly greeting, and an atmosphere of excellence awaits you. Their reception is not just a desk, it is the heartbeat of the hotel, where professionalism meets genuine care. From swift check-ins to seamless checkouts, every guest is treated with respect, courtesy, and attention to detail. Whether you are there for business, leisure, or a special occasion, their reception staff ensures that your every need is anticipated, your questions are answered, and your comfort is guaranteed. At Humble Citadel Hotel, their reception service is more than hospitality. It is a promise of excellence, setting the tone for an unforgettable stay. Humble Citadel Hotel, Ladipo, Oshodi, remains a place where every welcome feels like home and where excellence truly lives. The moment you get into their room, you have stepped into elegance, into comfort, into a world carefully designed just for you. You will be enjoying the beautifully furnished rooms of the Humble Citadel Hotel. Every room is a masterpiece, tastefully decorated, fully equipped, and complete with everything that makes life sweet. From their cozy beds that guarantees you peaceful rest to modern amenities that keep you connected, every detail speaks of luxury and class. Whether you are unwinding after a long day, preparing for tomorrow's success, or simply enjoying a quiet getaway, their rooms offer the perfect blend of beauty, serenity, and functionality. At Humble Citadel Hotel, comfort is not an option. It is a standard. There, you don't just stay. You live, you relax, and you enjoy the true meaning of hospitality. Humble Citadel Hotel, Ladipo, Oshodi, has beautiful furnished rooms with everything that makes life sweet.
If you are in Lagos and you have not come to Humble Citadel Hotels at Ladipo, Oshodi, you are missing a lot, honestly.
At Humble Citadel Hotel, Ladipo, Oshodi, Lagos State, excellence is not just in their service. Their swimming pool and pool bar is another refreshing side of luxury. In here, elegance meets relaxation. You being here, you will dive into crystal clear waters that wash away stress and leave you refreshed, energized, and alive. Their pool is not just a place to swim, it is a haven of calm, a space for fun, and the perfect spot to unwind. And when it's time to indulge, you step into their stylish pool bar, where every sip tells a story of class, taste, and pure satisfaction. From exotic cocktails to chilled drinks, they serve you refreshment that complements the serene atmosphere around you. Whether you are with friends, family, or simply enjoying your own company, the poolside experience at Humble Citadel Hotels is designed to give you unforgettable moments. Humble Citadel Hotels Ladipo Oshodi is a place where the water sparkles and the drinks flow. At Humble Citadel Hotel Ladipo Oshodi, you are guaranteed an uninterrupted power supply 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No blackouts, no interruptions, just steady light and seamless energy that keeps your stay smooth and stress-free. From their beautifully furnished room to their event halls, restaurant, and poolside, every corner of Humble Citadel Hotel shines bright because they understand that true hospitality means peace of mind. Here, power failure is never in the vocabulary. Only excellence, reliability, and round-the-clock service. Humble Citadel Hotel Ladipo Oshodi is a place where the light never goes off. Pay a visit today and you will like to come back some other time.